Hey there everyone, as you can see on the thumbnails, I'm about to show you how to set up Workday Authenticator app, so make it sure to watch this until the end. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so you need both apps to make this work. So any authenticators, such as Google or Microsoft, in my case I'm using Bitwarden. Alright, so open the Workday app or the browser. Log in using your username and password. When it asks for two-step verification, choose Setup Authenticator app. Alright? So a QR code will appear on your screen. Open the Authenticator app and tap the plus button and scan the QR code or type it manually. Once finished, your 6-digit code will start showing. And after that, enter the 6-digit code into your Workday to finish the setup. And that's it. Your Workday Authenticator is now linked and ready. Now you know how to set up your Workday Authenticator app and link it into your Workday account the easy way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.